Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey bosses, hey, how we doing today? Listen, today we just gonna do a quick unboxing because we did get a 80 shirt order in for a client. So I did go out and get all the supplies that I needed. So we are going to do the unboxing of everything that I got to finish do up this order. Welcome to the channel. So I've never done an unboxing on this channel before, so that's why I wanted to do it, see how this works. I am going to be doing this this order a little different than I do normally do my most. This time we're going to test out using DTF prints. I ordered custom DTF prints from Majestic Ink. I found her in a group that I am in on Facebook. So we are going to do, she sends you the roll. I ordered about 60 or so of them because I'm going to do them differently for the video. So DTF prints, and she sent us our printing instructions on how to press it on, and it's very detailed, very oriented. Her website, www.mymajesticink.com, and her socials is at Majestic Ink. I will leave all those handles down in the description box below. But it comes, I ordered them on a gang sheet because she told me that it would be easier for the amount of prints that I was gonna order, cheaper to order it on a gang sheet. So I ordered them on a gang sheet. So it's a long big sheet full of all the prints that I need. And you basically size it for your shirts that you're going to need. And that's what I did. I sized it up. So on here, it sizes small to 3X amongst all these prints on here. So that's Majestic Ink. You guys are going to see me press this on the next video. We are going to do the 80 shirt order together on the next video. Then this one came from Amazon, which I believe, yep, it's my ink, because I am going to do a version of this as sublimation. So there was somebody that asked for some detailed work on how I did the sublimation on the Sublaflock. So printer's jack ink that goes with my Epson 26, so I don't have to change containers or anything, because to be honest with you guys, I don't know where my containers are. And I do love printer's jack ink, and you can tell that I like printer's jack ink because this is the one that I had before. This is the one that I'm currently using, and I still have some ink in there, so I can just transfer these. But they used to come like this. Now they come with the attachment for the eco tanks that you can just stick it down in there, and you don't have to do any extra changing of work or whatever. So that is that. And then I got some more Amazon. I've got some more heat transfer tape and sublimation paper. This box contains all of the shirt. Now this box came from, I ordered my shirts, this set of shirts from Shirts Space. I did open it already because I wanted to make sure I got all my shirts in and all that good stuff. So I did open it already, but regular. I do Gildan shirts and I do Bella Canvas shirts. I also do sublimation shirts and dry fit shirts. Those are the shirts that I offer on my website. So we have 32 black shirts that we are going to do. This box, like I say, I open them when I get them. I just got this box in this morning. The time now is 1:26, and these are the sublimated white shirts. I tried out this company. A lot of people have tried this company out already, but this is my first time ordering from them, and this was Aviva Wholesale. So we're going to be working on those, and that is 33. So it's 33 white shirts, 32 black shirts, and that will equal to our 70 shirt total. Plus we do have another order for 20 shirts, which is not going to be on the same order, which is going to be for another business that we've done. This one just came a few minutes ago. That's why I said we're going to wait. And then, which we also have another shirt order, which this one is for. This is for another shirt order, which I decided to go with tech wrap. Try out tech wrap for a while and see how they work out. So I decided to order their bundle pack, and this is the 14-piece 3D puff heat towel fabric. And the order that we got in to do, I asked her, like, listen, I wanted to try out some puff, and nobody's going to know that I can do puff unless I showcase a puff. So, can I do a puff on one of your shirts? She said, sure. So, I ordered some puff vinyl to test out. This one came from Amazon. And it doesn't even say. I'll see if I can leave the link down in the description box. But this is neon. The neon puff. I like the way it looked on the internet, so we're gonna see how it looks in person. And it's supposed to be a couple of neons, and I believe there's a glow in the dark, which I think this one is the glow in the dark. But these colors, I hope you guys can see this. Let's put it up here. These colors. This is the reason why, because I wanted this color, because this is going to be one word in puff, and I have a pink vinyl in there that we're going to mix and match it with. But I wanted one word to be in puff, because you'll see it how it looks. I don't want to give out any details, but these colors are pretty. So that is for another day, another time. But I just wanted to do the unboxing to show you guys everything that I've gotten for this upcoming project that I'm going to be doing. So that's it. That's all. Oh, well, since we're doing the whole thing, I did go to CVS right quick this morning, and I got my SD cards. They are on sale for like 17 bucks. So I did go out there and get that. You guys remember, I almost said, don't throw away your receipts, business receipts. You get right off for a lot of stuff. I put them up, keep them up, because tax time come around, you need them. Alright, y'all, that's it. I really wanted to come on here and really just do this unboxing, show my face, because I don't show my face all the time. And that's about it. That's all the unboxing. So if you like what you see, if you like my videos, please give me a like. If you want to see more videos, you got any ideas of any videos you want to see, please go down and leave a comment. Help a girl out to reach her 1,000 subscriber goal by the summertime. So please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a video. On that note, I'm going to say peace. I'll see you on the next one. And thanks for stopping by the Bawse Production Studio. Later, guys.